Yeah, we'll take out the bougie yeah, electric pepper mill, right? And that is it without light on the bottom, you know, people. I'm going to leave Jamaica nice too. Jamaica nicest place on the earth, isn't it, Torren? Everything from where I left the airport to the reach here.
It's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East run. Used to drive the Nissan, and she had a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was the loner. Her old man the owner. And I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, bro? No champagne for them. On dirty Sprite for them. You come sit with me. If you like chain.
But anyway, people, you see today, I'm not even on my right head. If I don't look good in the sour and different head. Cross, miserable, angry. I'm gonna eat ya. My dinner. Right? But anyway, joke my mate. You see today, for the first time we're gonna try out the good old coconut dumpling when I hear about Jamaica. But this one I'm gonna do it in an English style. Right? So we just stay tuned. You know, stay tuned and watch what I'm going on. Watch on people. I say the reason why it's gonna be English style, because we don't have the real authentic coconut. In turn, so we're gonna use paper coconut, right?
Wait a minute.
The good old Duns River from India. That we are use. That Duns River don't come from Jamaica, don't make them trick you. That one come from India. So look good to see all the curry mixed with it. Alright. So further notice.
You know where the mango sir? And then this is next up.
What mean?
Some concoction I make.
People look at the nice concoction.
So what I did was
Should I try to throw it in the bin, you know? I love them so. Listen.
I got spinach, chicken breast, and I used the lasagna sheet and part cook it and roll up the cook mixture in there.
Alright. I just want to dash that way. You know what for that? When you go out to the city, I'm taking it home. Right? No, not taking it home because I'm home. I'm gonna eat it. That's some of you eat, yeah. For now, put it on the fridge and leave it. So the chicken clean already? The chicken is clean. Now we're gonna season it.
I don't even have that much curry, you know.
Yeah, but
that would be enough, right?
yeah, a better pack, you don't want another pack. There's nothing better than a better pack. Any other pack or worse pack. Yeah, but yeah, our first attempt at the great coconut dumpling. You get me? Putting up the chicken.
Pimento on there and all purpose.
Yeah, we put some pimento on all purpose and basically. Torren, you alright? Check him out then. Guys, we want to go crash into the bathroom, so we have to check on the little son to see if him good. But anyway, all being said, we still have to season up the chicken because we have things to do, you know what I mean? So the chicken is seasoned up already, as you can see, little pimento green up on it. And we have cut up the what is it called again? The garlic and the ginger. Yeah, you understand? So that I go on. I process one of the first part of the thing before you see the coconut dumpling. Right? Anyway, yeah. So we have, we're not coming like them down a yard in a people. That's what I'm telling you, say. You see, look how we greater. You see that?
So because it's not marinate, we not cut up no, like squeeze no ginger on it.
We not squeeze, we are grate it.
Great.
Right? Junior lifestyle and fall and colours and I call out the wall I want to. I send some of them greater you can go now. And stop cut up on the hand. You get
Oh god.
Oh, sorry, man. I'm just joking. But anyway, I chose still, and I forgot like a gadget. You understand, like a cooking gadget. You get me? It's easy and simple. You just cover it with that and rub it. So you don't grate your finger off. You get me? Right. That is it, man. Look. It better come out nicely. Alright then, people. At this point, we are rubbing everything in. We are going to take out with bougie and bougie sitting, salt, pepper grinder. Sorry?
Electric pepper mill.
Pepper mill. Yeah, electric pepper mill, right? And electric salt mill. Yeah, see, that is it. With a light on the bottom, you know, people. Jaja. Now tell us a foreign nice. You don't believe me, Jamaica nice too. I joke now, make Jamaica the nicest place on the earth. Isn't it, Torren? Yeah, we're going to Jamaica next year. Anyway, people, we are coming to Jamaica next year. You understand what I say? With a new one to the family, you know what I mean? But we are going to show them everything from where I left the airport till we reach the airport. You get me? I'm going to look for tomato. You look, see, nice little fridge pack, nice. Look at the vegetable, guys. See all of these vegetables. It's not for us to eat, you know. Don't think so we eat all of them. I'm showing you. You want the pepper as well? Oh. Where's the tomato? Oh. They were showing you who are going to eat all of them vegetables, here, brother. We have an alligator down there, so. Watch this.
I might do my breakfast. I like to do fresh peppers.
Okay. That's it. Yeah, what me do say now? I bought them vegetables.
So, what I do, I buy the big family pack.
Anyway. Yeah, what me I say now? You see them fresh. Watch your whole life. Lord, brother. Because me I show no I go and end up dash with this something, brother. You know what I mean? I show no nothing more.
Yeah, do too much.
I'm not showing no nothing more, man. Off the side. So anyway. Yeah, me I do too much. Me I tell them about the vegetable them. And if you close the fridge because hot here come in. I know we are eating. Me I show no I eating. I don't think I joke. Yo, Pebble. Show them what I go on Pebble. You see Pebble over here, sir? I eat alone Pebble eat. See Pebble food there? I can't see it. I have vegetable pepper. Watch out. So what Pebble eat there? I him or she. I him or she. But anyway, a Pebble I deal with it. Hi Pebble. How are you? Say hi to the vlog. Say hello. Quick. Alright Pebble. See you later. So we have a vegetable cut up. What is this with the chicken? Yeah. Alright, vegetable cut up for the chicken. We have the vegetable prepared for the coconut rice. Coconut dumpling! My apology, coconut dumpling. What coconut rice are doing of this? Actually, we always cook coconut rice, that's why. We don't cook rice without coconut. But anyway, sorry about that, my apology. Coconut dumpling. This is try first, we're gonna try it. You know, really ready stand on my head yet, but as what we say, just stay tuned. And when we see what I go on, and we tell them if it's nice or not nice. Honestly, I ain't gonna cap if it's not nice, it's not nice. You understand? But when we say it's nice, it's nice. So what I'm gonna do right now, I feel like I'm thirsty. have a good old Guinness. You know what I mean? I'm gonna drink and quench my thirst. See? Good old Scotch bonnet pepper from Jamaica. Me carry it up. I feel like. I think we don't have wings. We come like the eagle. We fly all about. That is it. Alright guys, this is true we don't have the real coconut, the authentic one. We're gonna use coconut cream. You don't know if it's gonna come out same way, but
It says pure coconut ingredients. Right. Yeah, so you don't have no preservative or nothing.
So just coconut
so
powder.
Or just coconut.
Yeah.
See the English one.
Right.
So I'm assuming them just do it like how we do it at Jamaica. And so package it.
Yeah, what we would like to know anyway, even though no can't answer that question there. Should we put more coconut cream in the pot? Or this is okay? Anyway, we are going to do it again, so I'll put it in the comment section and let me know. You understand? Because first we are do it. You get me, but there's nothing beat a trial. But a failure. Which one? Oh. The current. No, I'm going to I'm going to go and cook up. I'm going to make the dumpling, I say, innit? Yeah. See? So I'm going to make the curry kind of burn. Ish. Not burn black last time. You know? Feeling.
Yeah.
There we go. Curry. One thing curry not stay one place. Curry always look something to go from. You understand? Whether you white or something. Curry. That with curry one. Curry always in a hurry. Curry not like stay one place. Always want to spill. You change the color of the angle. Just go bleach you out. Oh my god. As you can see guys, the curry spoiled up everything. Just what I want to come up to it. Yeah. Can't afford to burn yourself up, you know what I mean? Alright now people, watch out now. Move them up from here. Put them over here. So I'm going to deal with the dumpling there. Alright, over there?
On this side.
Okay. So I'm going to deal with the dumpling then right now. So, much cup of flour should I use? Meal and the flour and the salt. Make sure it's everything combined properly. Anyway, so the flour ready.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my yard. Yeah, in my mind is a warning.
Pop them off. You see, you have to count the dumpling. You don't count the dumpling, you count. Okay. I remember. I like it. I'm clear. You have to count dumpling now.
Starting to give up my pain. Starting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need a friend right now. I really need mine now. Oh yeah, in your gas. Yeah, right. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I wake up to 5 on my yard. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up.
Okay guys, this is the process of the curry chicken. I've now added my natural seasoning in there, make it fry out with it. So in this, I got onion, tomato, peppers, the bell peppers, scallion, spring onion, it's basically the same thing, thyme, bay leaf. They already crush up pimento when I was seasoning it. I've also got garlic cut up in this as well and a bit of scotch bonnet pepper. So what I normally do is make this fry up with it a little bit before, you know, add anything else. I'm just frying. And over on this side, that's coconut water here cooking with the dumpling that I get ready. So I put powder seasoning in it, all purpose, black pepper, salt, and I have scallion, thyme, pimento, garlic in this. Make it warm, infuse before I add the dumpling. I want it to marinate, you know, the flavors come up.
What are we putting in now?
I put a little bit of jerk seasoning.
Okay.
I not put too much, I just put a little bit.
Okay.
And I find that it, you know,
come on nicely.
flavor the pot as well.
You don't have to turn
I
on.
like flavor.
Use on a hand and what else that?
Style.
Use on hand and turn fashion, something like so. You have to
No,
use on a hand and turn fashion. You understand? But anyway, over here so now you find the dumpling them done, make. Just wait for that thing over there stuff ready. And we drop them in. And the next 15 minutes I think it's done cooked. Alright, get me the carrot then. You must can do that. Let's taste it. Over the side here. Alright people, so I'm gonna taste the coconut.
One carrot not in there already? One carrot not, one loose carrot, is it not in there?
Yeah.
Get that out.
Yeah, people, me tell you that curry chicken tastes like a curry goat. It mad! You see? I pot the stuff with the coconut I go and cook down for chop the dumpling in it. So in a minute, you go do all of that. So then say me come out of the kitchen cause me not do nothing. Wow, see it? Dumpling I go in. You might have to make me start roll them over because I'm a bit so anyway, I'll show you what I do. Right here.
Cooking now. And I don't like my carrot them too soft anymore.
Okay.
Especially them English carrot.
Yeah,
And then too soft.
GMO carrot.
The whole carrot them thinking. Now go mix the pot too much coming on, mash up the chicken.
Last time.
For me,
Mine.
I think it just be cooked too long.
Yeah.
So that's when the chicken start mash up, you know, well tender. Let's taste it again. I think what else is missing? Gonna close it. Just make it go down. Yeah.
Well, that is it. That's it. Alright. Empty. Everything more. Yeah, guys.
Nobody mentioned.
Yeah. Yeah, so no. Coconut dumpling ready. I can smell it. I guess you guys can smell it. So look at the aroma coming off. Oh my god. And when you look over in a this pot here, it is the real curry chicken. Chicken, no, not chicken, but chicken. Yeah, so we're gonna dish it out and start to eat my food. I don't think should I show them anymore? No, that's it. Oh yeah, I show them when I share the food out. So I'm gonna show them when I share the food out. I'm gonna say it's staying on the plate. You get me? Yeah. Simmer down to gravy. Yeah guys, so anyway, thanks for watching this video to the end. At this point in time, I'm gonna eat my dinner. And I can't show you that part because it's going to go into my belly. So I will catch you another day on another vlog. Anything to say, babes?
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The year, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, if you don't want to see more video, like the video. If you don't want to see more video, comment on the video. And if you don't want to see more video when it drop to, subscribe.
And press notifications.
What if you do, Torren?
Press notifications.
Okay, press the notification. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Over and out. Adios, amigo. Anyway, massive, made it plan to go about, you know, you cannot have coconut dumpling without the gravy. You understand?
Fair enough.
Yeah. Yes, thank you. Yeah, people. That smells nice. I hope it's nice. I know it's gonna be nice.